Starting to get into the fire business, and we started to do a few, and we realized that after we done a few that there was a little bit more knowledge involved in doing fires than just what we knew. So we decided to take this class, and I am absolutely thrilled beyond belief about how much we have learned in just 2 days. I had no idea that there was this much information that is involved in cleaning fires and buildings and so forth, and I can honestly say that this is the greatest class that I've gone to in years.
My name's Scott Kelly. I'm from Farmington, New Mexico. Looking through the internet and finding out recommendations from other people that Kevin and Nisha at Firehouse is great. Well, they ain't wrong. I've learned things that I've never even thought of questioning before. They're very thorough, very make it efficient. This is a great class to be in, and if you ever come here and you're hungry, don't worry about the food. Oh my goodness, these two feed you very, very well. I've had a great time getting to know Kevin, Anissa, and Travis. Has been a blessing to me. They're great people. I'll guarantee you that you will have a good time learning how to process and take care of structure, contents, on flood and fire.
From Crown Restoration down in San Antonio, Texas. I had the pleasure of spending the week with Anissa and Kevin Coy for the Firehouse education, and let me tell you, it was probably the best experience that I've had in the restoration industry thus far. So many nuggets. I'm the general manager at the company, and I learned from scrubbing to processes, to invoicing, to working with adjusters. I mean, they cover the whole gamut. I could come back 2 or 3 more times and get more information out of every single time. I think it is one of the best experiences that I've had, and I have evidential support for that. So come see Kevin and Anissa, you will not regret it. It was amazing.
I'm Greg Jackson. I'm with Insight Restoration out of Sandpoint, Idaho. I'm the general manager, and I've taken the Firehouse training, content and structural cleaning experience. I believe this is the best class I've taken in my 7 years in the industry. It's a very hands-on class. We get to not only learn the processes but perform them ourselves. The most important thing that I believe I've gotten out of this experience is how to de-stress a job and make it unintimidating for the crews. And I would certainly recommend to travel across the country to take this class.
Hi, my name is Dwayne Tomlin. I'm with Fast and Friendly Flood, Fire, and Mold Restoration out of Florida. And you know, I've got some experience with floods and mold. We wanted to get into the fire restoration portion of the industry. You know, we've studied, we've gone to the fire restoration courses, but before we actually do a full-on fire, I thought this would be a good course to go to. I was wrong. It's an excellent course. Kevin and Anissa and Travis were fantastic. We actually went out on a job site from beginning all the way to the end, including discussing issues with the homeowner related to log and destroy, keep, try to clean. So overall the course was more than I expected. It was fantastic, and I would recommend anyone to attend if you want to get better at fire restoration, contents cleaning, and managing your customers' expectations and exceeding them.
Hi, I'm Jake from Boise, Idaho. Just been up here in Washington with Kevin and Nisa and Travis, and just probably one of the best experiences of my business life for sure. I don't ever remember being this excited about my business. Just the past few days have just really been life-changing, and I'm excited to implement the different tricks and tips that they've taught. And the biggest thing I think that I've pulled away from this experience is just knowing that Travis and Nisa and Kevin, that they really have my back, and you know, they're there if I have any questions, and really just feel like I have a coach. You know, I have 3 great coaches now that are going to help me implement this and be successful, and I think that's a great feeling when you know someone is there for you, and someone is there to support you, and that they want you to be successful, and they're not just looking out for themselves, they're really looking out for you. So among the million of other things that I've learned the past few days, that's probably the biggest asset that I've gained throughout here, and I'm thankful for them for that. So I encourage everyone to check this out and see if it's right for you, and I know it's gonna help me be successful, and I know it can help you guys be successful as well.